Hi, my name's Hal Gumbert with Camp Software. We're FileMaker certified developers. We're actually certified in FileMaker 10, although it says FileMaker 9. We're going to show you what you can do with ClipManager. ClipManager is an add-on product from myFMbutler that allows you to manipulate the FileMaker clipboard. You can get ClipManager from myFMbutler.com, and you can download a demo and try it out, and if you like it, you can buy it. We're going to start off with a demo file. This is a brand new file. I just brought it up to save a couple extra seconds. ClipManager works really well when you need to do repetitive tasks that follow a pattern. So for instance, if you needed a field, I'm just going to make up a field name like note01 and create it. If you needed more of these, let's say you needed 20 more note fields, so that you had 20 fields starting with the word note and ending with its number. So note 01, note 02, this is just one example. I can click on the note field, choose copy, and then go over to ClipManager, and I can say get. This will get me the XML representation of the clipboard represented by this text. And you can see, at first it looks like gibberish, but there's a lot of good stuff in here, a lot of attributes that you could manipulate. So we wrote a really simple tool that helps us manipulate this XML. So I'm going to take this chunk, this dummy text, and copy it, jump back to FileMaker, commit those changes, and we have a little sample file that we created. We call it ClipManager Monkey. And what it does is it allows us to take a chunk of text from ClipManager, I just pasted it into this field, and allows us to replicate values across that data. So I can type in these values. 5. If I was smart, I would actually create a script to create this for me. So these are the values that I'm going to replace, and I'm going to make a placeholder for what I'm going to replace with this text. So wherever it finds that placeholder, in this case I want to replace the field name note01 with the bullets, and every place it sees a value here, it will create a clip for that based upon this data. So I'm going to run scripts code for me, and it just it took the dummy tags off of this and repeated this bit of XML for every value that's in this list. So here we can say field ID 1, name 02, it took the bullets and replaced it with 02. It left everything else alone. Then it made another copy, note 03 for the next value, all the way down, for 20 values. Now, one thing that's a bit odd is the field value, the field ID number 1. It's okay if it's the same. When you paste this data back into FileMaker, it deals with it. I don't know how, but it just does. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the new XML data, which our script re-injected the dummy tags on the top and bottom of this field. If I resize this and go to the bottom, I should add a scroll bar to this. There's a closed dummy tag at the end. I'll jump back to ClipManager now, and I'm going to replace this text. There's our closed tag and our last item, note 20. So I just replaced the XML from what we copied out of FileMaker, and now I'm going to go back into our demo database, go back into defined fields where we only had this one note field. Now I'm going to say set. and we did not create another note 01. We started with 02. When I do set, we're going to come back, and now I've got 20 fields all named. So I didn't have to go through and, you know, go to the next field, you know, come in here and change it to 21 and create it. Just used ClipManager just built all of this for us automatically. So you can do some other neat things with this too. You can use it for scripting. So if I go to manage scripts, I'll make a new script, set fields. Now I can do a set field and choose this, and you know, we could make this be equal to whatever we wanted. We could even, you know, if we had a global variable somewhere stored called name 01, and we could take this one line of this script, this one script statement, and copy it. Go to edit, copy, and jump back over to ClipManager. We'll say get. I don't want to save what we had, and this is our script statement, the one script statement that we just created. So I'm going to choose copy, and we'll go over to our ClipManager monkey, paste in our XML, get rid of the 01 that we want to be replaced with our tag for finding, and run our script that says code for me. That's asking us to save our script in our demo file. And just like that, it created all these script statements. Now, I did forget to change the name of the variable for each one. So in this case, the script that it just created for us is going to set the field note 02 to the variable name 01, and it's going to set the field note 03 to name 01. But I could have come to that variable name 01 and put in 3 bullets and run our script code for me. Now it changed both, so we have note 02, name 02, name 03, name 03. So we'll choose our XML of the representation of the script, go back to ClipManager, paste it in, go back to our script so that it's in the foreground, and say set. And just like that, we've added 19 more script statements. You could do anything you want with this, anything that you could create a script, you can have it create code for you. And the really neat thing is, anything that you can write in FileMaker, all you're doing is manipulating text. So any text that you write, you can create scripts. So it's kind of weird. We have FileMaker creating its own FileMaker scripts using ClipManager as the medium to get things in and out. So this file and this movie will be available on our website if you'd like to have it. The ClipManager monkey. You may know it's called ClipManager Monkey B. That's because we had another version of this ClipManager monkey database that does other things, but it's not so interesting. So anyway, I hope you like it, and let us know what you think. Thanks.